Hey everybody, welcome back to Zach Tech Reviews. On this channel we look at tech, mobile accessories, and gadgets, and I wanted to show you guys the complete lineup of UAG cases for the Samsung Galaxy S9 and S9 Plus. There are 4 different models of UAG cases this year and a variety of colors. For the most part, I have most of them here. For the ones I don't have, I'll show you guys on screen here. So let's start out here with probably the most popular series. It's called the Plasma series, and it's kind of a semi-translucent series here. The Plasma series comes in 4 different colors. We have the green here, then we also have a semi-translucent blue, then there is a dark gray, which actually I have right here for the Google Pixel 2, and then there is kind of, I guess, kind of a frosted, kind of totally see-through color here, right here, and that again is for the Google Pixel 2. So the only one that I actually have here today for the Galaxy S9 is the green. So let's go ahead and get into that. So this one right here is for the Galaxy S9, the regular size. We'll go ahead and get in here, pop this open, and UAG cases are very simple to put on. Basically, you want to put your buttons in first. So buttons on this side here, pop them in like so, and then pop down your corners. Very simple, just like that. That's the titanium gray that's in there right now. Here are a few features I wanted to show you guys of the UAG cases. As usual, they do have raised corners here, so that when you put the phone on a flat surface here, it will be raised up, so you don't have to worry about the screen making contact. As well, you'll see right here where the fingerprint sensor is, they kind of put this slope right here, which is quite nice. It's not just a cutout, but it allows your finger to slope in there and to hit that fingerprint sensor. Same thing from the side here, sloping right in order to hit the sensor right there. So quite nice. Of course, the corners are reinforced there, and that nice translucent green there, that would look good. Again, that's on the titanium gray. Let's go ahead and move on to the next series of cases. The series after the Plasma is going to be the Pathfinder series. The Pathfinder series is exactly the same as the Plasma, except the colors are solid. This year, UAG only did a black color for the Samsung Galaxy S9 and S9 Plus. So there's no other colors that they have on their website, at least not right now. So again, just all solid there. You got these plastic rivets right here, kind of for that industrial look. Go ahead and pop the phone in here. I've got my lilac purple, of course, with this case here, because it is a solid color. This will be all completely covered up. You won't even know that this is a purple phone, except for on the back here. But it it does get some nice contrast, you can see there. And again, you got that slope there for your fingerprint reader. Everything's raised up, and of course you got your buttons and everything. It looks quite good. So there you go. That is the Pathfinder series. Let's move on to the next one. Now, if you want to take your UAG game up to the next level, the next step up is going to be the Monarch series. Basically the same as the Pathfinder series, except this series uses actual leather grain within the construction of the case here. So let's go ahead and pop that open, and we'll just kind of give you guys kind of a quick tour here. So this is actual leather right here. These rivets are actual metal, so it's definitely a more premium build. It does have double the drop protection there as compared to some of their other cases. Again, this is for the regular size. We'll go ahead and pop that in there, and that looks quite good right there. Again, same features as before. As you can see right here, the Monarch also comes in a black and red color scheme. We'll call this one the MKBHD version because, well, those are his colors right there, but looks really good. I actually did a review on this one for the iPhone 10. You can check out the link right up here. I'll also leave it down below. But this one in the black and red looks really sharp. Again, I just have the black here today. Let's move on to the next series. And the last of the UAG series I want to show you guys is the new Plyo series. This series came out late last year for the iPhone 10. Basically, it's a slimmed down version of basically the Pathfinder or the Plasma series, and I'm going to go ahead and show you guys this here right now. Go ahead and pop this out. So this right here we actually have in a translucent. This is actually the one that I'll be using myself, so completely clear. You can see there's actually air pockets up in the corner here, so for reinforced drops. But let's go ahead and pop in this lilac purple here. We'll go ahead and take a look and see what it looks like. Pop that in there, and look how that comes through. That looks really nice. You get the full effect of the color. Nothing's missing at all. You don't miss out on the color or the details of your phone. Again, you got the sloping here for your finger on the side here as well. Raised corners, and access to all buttons. Looks really, really good. Access to all ports. Let's go ahead and try out the smoke color here right as well. This is exactly the same, but obviously darker, kind of a smoke dark gray color. Let's go ahead and pop this in with the lilac purple, see what it looks like. And there she is right there. So really, really darkens the color there. Can't see a lot, but definitely has a really cool look there. Again, of course, you got the accents here. And there you go. Just like the Monarch series, the Plyo series actually comes in 2 additional colors. I don't have them here, but there is a semi-translucent blue, as you can see here, and also a red. So you can also have those to pick from for your Samsung Galaxy S9 and S9 Plus. Those ones look really good. So there you guys go. There are the 4 new series there for the Samsung Galaxy S9 and S9 Plus from UAG. Again, we got the Monarch series, we got the Pathfinder series, we've got the Plasma series, and we've got the new Plyo series here. I'll leave a link down below so you can go ahead and check them all out. Oh, and by the way, yes, these will all work with wireless charging here. Here's my favorite wireless charger. I'll leave a link for this one as well. Go ahead and pop that in there, and boom, you get the fast wireless charging. Looks really good. If you guys like the content here, please leave a thumbs up. Think about hitting that subscribe button as well, and we'll catch you in the next one. Take care. Cheers.